The Boeing C-17 Globemaster III is one of the most versatile and powerful military transport aircraft in the world. Developed by McDonnell Douglas, which later merged with Boeing, the C-17 has become a crucial asset for air forces worldwide, including the Indian Air Force (IAF). Designed to carry heavy payloads over long distances, this aircraft has been instrumental in military, humanitarian, and disaster relief operations. Its ability to operate from short, unpaved runways and perform rapid strategic airlift missions makes it a true workhorse of modern air mobility. The Indian Air Force acquired its first C-17 in 2013, and by 2019, it had a total fleet of 11 aircraft. The decision to procure the C-17 was driven by the need for a modern heavy-lift aircraft capable of replacing the aging Ilyushin IL-76 fleet. With its impressive payload capacity of up to 77,500 kilograms, the C-17 can transport troops, armored vehicles, artillery, and even helicopters, making it an invaluable asset for rapid deployment. The aircraft has played a key role in strategic operations, including troop movements, medical evacuations, and emergency relief missions. One of the defining features of the C-17 is its ability to take off and land on short runways as short as 3,500 feet. This capability allows it to operate from remote airstrips in mountainous regions and conflict zones where conventional transport aircraft struggle. The four Pratt & Whitney F117 PW100 turbofan engines provide the necessary thrust for high-altitude takeoffs, which is particularly useful in India's challenging terrains, such as Ladakh in the northeast. The aircraft's in-flight refueling capability further extends its range, making it a vital asset for long-distance operations. The C-17 is equipped with advanced avionics and fly-by-wire controls, ensuring superior maneuverability despite its large size. Its cockpit features a heads-up display (HUD) for both pilots, reducing pilot workload and improving situational awareness. The aircraft's digital flight control system enhances stability and efficiency during complex operations, such as low-level tactical flights and high-altitude airdrops. These features make it an exceptionally reliable aircraft in both combat and non-combat situations. The cargo bay of the C-17 is designed for maximum flexibility, accommodating a wide variety of payloads. It can transport M1 Abrams tanks, BMP infantry fighting vehicles, and even CH-47 Chinook helicopters. The cargo floor is fitted with rollers for easy loading and unloading of palletized cargo, and the rear ramp can be lowered mid-flight for aerial drops. This capability is particularly useful for humanitarian missions, where supplies need to be delivered quickly to remote areas affected by natural disasters. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the C-17 played a critical role in transporting medical supplies, oxygen tanks, and emergency response teams across India. Its ability to carry massive loads in a single trip allowed for rapid medical logistics, reinforcing its importance beyond military operations. The aircraft was also instrumental in evacuating Indian citizens from conflict zones, showcasing its value in both peace and crisis situations. In military operations, the C-17 has been used for rapid troop deployment, ensuring that personnel and equipment can reach forward bases quickly. Its strategic role in Indian defense planning became evident during tensions with China, when it was used to airlift tanks, artillery, and troops to the Ladakh region within hours. This rapid response capability provides India with a significant advantage in modern warfare, where mobility and speed are critical. The aircraft's defensive systems include radar warning receivers, infrared countermeasures, and flares to evade enemy missiles. These features allow the C-17 to operate safely in hostile environments where the threat of enemy air defense systems exists. Its rugged design and reinforced airframe enable it to sustain minor battle damage and continue operations, making it one of the most resilient aircraft in service. The C-17's global impact extends beyond India. It is the backbone of strategic airlift capabilities for the United States Air Force (USAF), the Royal Air Force (RAF), the Royal Australian Air Force (RAAF), and several other nations. Its proven performance in combat and humanitarian missions worldwide has cemented its reputation as an irreplaceable asset in modern air forces. Even NATO relies on the C-17 for joint operations, highlighting its universal utility. Despite its impressive capabilities, Boeing ended C-17 production in 2015, making existing fleets even more valuable. Countries that operate the aircraft now focus on maintenance and upgrades to extend their service life. India has been working closely with Boeing to ensure the long-term operational readiness of its C-17 fleet through scheduled overhauls and software upgrades. This ensures that the aircraft remains mission-capable for decades to come. The future of military airlift will likely see advancements in stealth, automation, and fuel efficiency. However, the C-17's ruggedness and adaptability ensure that it will remain in service for many years. The Indian Air Force continues to explore next-generation airlift solutions, but for now, the Globemaster III remains its most reliable heavy-lift platform. Its ability to transport large forces quickly across vast distances will remain a cornerstone of India's strategic defense planning. Pilots who operate the C-17 often praise its ease of handling and advanced automation. Despite its massive size, the aircraft is surprisingly agile, allowing for precise landings even in challenging conditions. Its state-of-the-art flight management system helps reduce crew workload, enabling efficient long-duration missions with minimal fatigue. The aircraft's durability and reliability have made it a favorite among aircrews worldwide. Beyond the military, the C-17 has contributed to numerous international humanitarian efforts. Whether it was delivering earthquake relief in Nepal, aiding flood victims in Pakistan, or airlifting refugees from war zones, the aircraft has been at the forefront of global rescue missions. Its ability to land in disaster-stricken areas and rapidly deploy aid has made it an indispensable tool for global peacekeeping and emergency response efforts. India's investment in the C-17 program highlights its commitment to building a modern and responsive air force. The aircraft's continued role in Indian military and humanitarian missions underscores its strategic value. Whether it's reinforcing borders, providing disaster relief, or supporting global peace efforts, the C-17 remains a symbol of strength and reliability. As the world moves toward next-generation transport aircraft, the C-17's legacy will endure as one of the most successful military aircraft ever built. Its proven capabilities, adaptability, and unmatched performance ensure that it will remain a key player in global air mobility for years to come. The Indian Air Force's continued reliance on this aircraft is a testament to its strategic importance in national defense and global humanitarian efforts. The Boeing C-17 Globemaster III is not just a transport aircraft, it is a lifeline in emergencies, a force multiplier in combat, and a symbol of rapid power projection. For India, it represents a crucial capability that ensures the country can respond swiftly to any challenge, whether on the battlefield or in humanitarian crises. As long as the C-17 continues to fly, it will remain an integral part of India's airlift operations and global military strategy. Thanks for watching.